Here's how to get early access to the new Bing AI with ChatGPT 4 and how to use new Bing AI features. You will need to go on the Bing chat waitlist, but there's a way to get access faster, as some people have already got that access. Here is what Bing Chat Access looks like after you click the chat button. So how to use Bing ChatGPT. You see the headline, your AI-powered answer engine, some suggested questions, as well as the search field down the bottom where you can ask it anything. But first you need to be able to get here because at the moment you don't get Bing Chat Access. Instead, when you go to bing.com, you are presented with this screen where you get introducing the new Bing. So to get early access to Bing ChatGPT AI, scroll through the suggested questions and choose one. Or you can simply skip this step and click chat up the top. Click try it, then it will show you a demo of how Bing ChatGPT will work in a regular search window. You can interact with it on the right here by clicking to learn more, where you see some links, but it's when you come down the bottom and seek to continue the chat that you are sent to this screen. That's when it displays the message, chat mode only available when you have access to the new Bing. What a tease. So from here, come down and click join the waitlist. So let's do a Bing ChatGPT sign up. So sign in to your Microsoft account or create an account. It takes just 20 seconds. Great, back to this screen again, and it acknowledges that you're now on the new Bing waitlist. Next is how to get early access to ChatGPT 4. Click access the new Bing faster. Now you've got to do two things. One, set Microsoft defaults to your PC, which simply makes Bing search your default search, and install the Microsoft Bing app on your phone. So click this one. I'm in Chrome, so it will prompt me to install Bing Search for Chrome. So I'll add that. It only takes 5 seconds. And now you can see that when I click on a new tab, it opens the Bing Search by default. So that's step 1 done. Next, install the Microsoft Bing app. You can click here if you're doing this on a phone, or just scan the QR code here. So that's nice and easy to do. And once installed, simply sign in to Microsoft Bing on your phone. Microsoft Bing then phones home to let it know that you've taken this step. So that's step 2 done. The next step is to wait until you get this email letting you know that you're in. It may be a day or a fortnight, so be patient. Once you are in, to then be able to use the new Bing chat, you'll have to open it in Microsoft Edge, and this is what it looks like once you have early access to Bing Chat. Microsoft AI is competing with Google AI, so it's the battle of the titans, Bing Chat versus Google Bard. So watch this next to learn how to use Google Bard. So click that now and I'll see you there.